We are living proof that you can become successful in this career regardless of your age, race, gender, academic credentials, background, or in Sean's case, baldness.
I like how you say it.
Let's reset, and Rod, could you put your foot down if that's possible? Yeah, it's just like kind of right in the lens. Your right foot also. Yeah, so I mean, maybe put them both on outside. Like,
Are you sure? I mean...
Yes, please.
One size does not fit all.
I see that.
You're nodding. Okay.
Oh my god!
Do you want to do that again and like touch your head?
No.
Not wanting to support child labor or what we sorry.
The child labour comment get you?
I'm excited for the blooper reel of this because I'm definitely gonna make one.
Yeah.
I love child labor. Can I get one more take of that?
Yeah, just the last line. You don't have to pull it all the way up.
Oh, right.
Or parents of soccer players who might buy a ball.
I don't like how much I get bullied on this set.
How many bald jokes have there been?
In a moment, we'll show you how the best places. Well, I'll show you the best places to find these nuggets of gold. But first, allow us to make this bit easier to visualise it.
What a big idea is. I can see Noah sort of hitting his brow. So let's take this from the top, and I'll try to make this a little bit more coherent.
You don't have to. It's good. You keep going. I'll be sure to cut out the parts where you're insulting the guy's copy. So
Thank you.
you.
I was actually just thinking that. I'm gonna go dig around
You
the
have
folder
video evidence.
and be like, oh my god.
Yeah.